Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
How are you this afternoon?
I'm fine.
Okay, before we start our lesson today, Putri, let your friends to pray together, please.
Attention please. Let's pray. SMP 2 Prabarat berkarya bersama meraih sukses semua jaya.
Thank you, Putri. Okay, I will check your attendance first. Fanny, where is Fanny? Okay. Lisa. Okay. Is my PowerPoint clear for you? Alright. Today you will learn English with me. Okay. Please see my PowerPoint. Actually, what picture that you see? Tell me, please. Butterfly, ya? Okay. It means that clear, ya. Okay. Today we are going to learn about recontext. Do you know recontext? Alright. Before we start our lesson today, I will explain our class rules for today. First, please be positive attitude and be active students. It means that if you active, asking something or give suggestion about your friend, I will give you bonus score because I will do attitude assessment, yeah. And then don't forget to raise your hand for every discussion, and then do your role as the best student. Always finish your task innovatively and on time. Actually, reordering. Don't forget to always keep social distancing. Be healthy, stay positive thinking, and keep enthusiastic in the learning process. Because I will do 3 assessments for today. First, attitude assessment, means that if you self-confidence and for your work team. And then the second one, knowledge assessment, we will do a reading test today. And then the last one is skill assessment. You will presentation about what you learned. Do you get my point?
Yes, I do.
Is it clear?
Clear.
Okay, before we start, I want we sing our national song together. Stand up, please. Okay, Lisa, please let your friend to sing together. Are you ready?
Ready. Pancasila, akulah pendukungmu, patriot proklamasi, sedia berkorban untukmu.
Okay, we will do ice breaking. You see my PowerPoint? What is the picture? Okay, we will do random spinner games. It means that I have put some picture about place in Karimun. You know the place. Actually, I know you also ever went about the place. So if we click the spinner games, it will spin, and after the picture is up, I need one of you to tell. Just 1 until 3 seconds. Do you get my point?
Yes, I do.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's start, ya. Lihat the picture. Clear? The first one is coastal area. Do you know coastal area?
Yes.
Who want to tell a story that your experience in coastal area, please? Okay, Elda, please.
I went to coastal area. I went to Bangkok with my friend. We met, then we fly to the cashier. We walked around coastal area. I was happy.
Oh yeah, thank you very much. What is the topic that you learned in our last meeting? Could you tell me please our topic? Okay, Winnie, please. Recontext, the social function is to recall experience. Yes, that's right. We have to learn about recontext. context. The social function is literal experience. What is experience? Good. The second one, we have done some activities on our last meeting. Please, you tell me what activities that we learned on our last meeting. Okay, Putri, please.
We do reading next week, about exhibitions. We sing a song together. We do presentation about our friend's story. We do discussion.
Yes, that's right. Yeah, we do discussion, we do reading text on our. What are our learning objectives today? The first one is identify. You need to identify the main idea of the context correctly, and then you need to determine the implied information and reference. Ya, informasi tersirat dan rujukan kata. And then the synonym. The first question is, what is the topic of the first and second text? So I will give you two texts. Please analyze this question first. Called spider group. We prepared all of our names properly. Our campsite was in a natural place located in Palawan Beach. Precisely in the Desa Pangkeu. Let's start from the first text. Want to read the first, please, about my camping in Palawan Beach, please? Okay, Messi, please.
My camping in Palawan Beach. Last week, I, my best friend Rudy, and all of my schoolmates went camping. Before we went there, our teacher divided us into several groups. I, Rudy, and other 5 students were selected as on group. Colored spider.
That's the topic of the second text. Okay, next.
The second text still about weekend camping in Kalimantan Mountain. It is also about the context.
Yes, that's good. That's very good. What is the writer intention about the second text, please? Okay, Windy.
The second text is to return the second camping experience in Kalimantan Mountain.
Okay, thank you. About sentence for positive. Last week, I, my best friend Budi, and all of my schoolmates went camping. It means that subject I, verb to, when, and then the other object or complement. Negative. Okay, please read your sentence. Start from Fanny, please.
Positive. We prepare all of our next there properly. Negative. We did not prepare all of our next there properly. Interrogative. Did we prepare all of our next there properly?
Yes, that's good. Rindy, please.
Positive, then our group start the word. Negative, then our group didn't start the word. Interrogative, did our group start the word?
Yes, very good. Helga, please.
Positive, we put a flag at the top of our tent. Negative, we did not put the top of our tent. Interrogative, did we cut the top of our agreement?
Yes. Okay, for nominal sentence, simple past tense. For example, it was amazing place for camping. It for subject, was for to be, adjective is amazing. Negative, it was not amazing place for camping. It for subject, to be for was, and we use not. Amazing for adjective. Reading, please.
Positive, there was covered by green trees. Negative, there was not covered by green trees. Interrogative, was there covered by green trees?
That's good. Helga, please.
Positive, the watercolor was also very green. Negative, the watercolor was not very green. Interrogative, was the watercolor also very green?
Thank you, Helga. Next, please.
Positive, the weather was good. Negative, the weather was not good. Interrogative, was the weather good?
Okay, thank you. is the main idea from the second paragraph? Okay, tell me. Okay, Fanny.
The winter went camping with her friends.
Okay, good. It wasn't far from our school. The underlined word it refers to. Okay, answer number 2. Okay, Indi.
The campsite.
Okay, that's good. The campsite, yeah. The third question. How was the writer feel about his activity in camping in Palawan Beach? Okay, Lisa, please.
He feels enjoy and fun.
Yes, enjoy and fun. Good. What is this? Messi and Risma. Fanny and Aisa. Vicky and Afa. Lisa and Vicky. Now I give you 7 minutes to identify the text. Where is the orientation? Where is the ribbon? Where is the ring orientation? Discuss in pair, please. Okay, the orientation. Where is the orientation? Okay, Mimi.
The orientation is all students got very valuable lesson and experience. They enjoy the camping.
Good. Weekend camping. Where is the orientation from the text? Okay, Fanny.
Orientation is last week. The girl and boys both of my school had a Masami activity or weekend camping. I said of my school.
Okay, very good. Okay, what is the similarities? Please.
Similarities between text 1 and text 2. 1 send social function, 2 send binary structure, 3 send legitimate picture.
Okay, the similarities of text 1 and text 2. Same social function. Same.
Send binary structure.
Yes, and then.
Legitimate picture.
Yeah, that's good. That's very good. And then, please tell what is the differences between two texts. Okay, Alpha, please. Okay, different class, yeah, different activities, different people. Okay, is it clear for you?
Yeah.
Yes, the similarities between first text and second text. Same social function, curricular experience, yeah, for camping, and then same generic structure, orientation, ribbon, and reorientation, and then same language picture.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, my dear teacher and my friend.
Good afternoon.
Today I want to tell a story based on the text about my camping in Palawan Beach. Last week, Budi's best friend and our schoolmate went camping to Palawan Beach. It was a natural place located in Palawan Beach, precisely in the Desa Kampung Barat Barat district. The camping for today, his teacher provided it to some group. Woody and his friend were very happy because the water was very sunny. They loved to do some activities over there. The environment was very nice. The water was very clean, so many green trees and grass around the beach. The beach was very clean. Thank you for your attention. I need your comment on my presentation. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, if you want bonus from me, you want to give operational solution for Nova. Okay, Isma, please.
How was the scenery of the story?
How was the scenery?
The scenery was very good.
Beautiful. Any question more for Nova?
No.
What have you learned today? Okay, Vicky, please.
Recontext the social function is to little experience.
Yes, that's good. Okay, Isa. Yes, that's about weekend camping. Which activity do you like the most today? Or
We also discuss about main idea, synonym, antonym, conclusion, and reference. We retell all the story for our skill assessment. We are really enjoy it. We do some activity in reading test in quizzes application. And then we discuss about the reading test question. We are really happy. Quizzes is easy. I enjoy using it. I also like using Padlet in my learning process today. I'm proud of my school too. They able to speak English in front of the class. Thank you.
Okay, wow, clap your hands for your friends today. Thank you for your conclusion, guys. Is it clear, yeah, for you? Now I need you to prepare yourself to be the next presenter for the next meeting. Do you get my point?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Now I will do reflection for today. In opening activities, yeah, you are here with me today and we have done our ice breathing today. Is it clear, yeah, the opening activities and then for activities? We still have some problem about the signal, but you do reading test clear and finish. Okay, before we close our class today, quickly let your friends prepare together, please.